Student, question is find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. यानी फर्स्ट 40 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर जो 6 से डिवाइड होते हैं उन सब का सम हमें यहाँ पर फाइंड आउट करना है. सबसे पहले हमें देखना होगा कि कौन से ऐसे पॉजिटिव इंटीजर हैं 40 जो 6 से डिवाइड होते हैं. सो द फर्स्ट 40 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स डिविजिबल बाय 6 आर. फर्स्ट इज 6 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, पहला 6 है जो 6 से डिवाइड होता है. देन 12, देन 18, देन 24, 30, 36 and so on. Now this pattern forms an AP whose first term is equal to 6 and the common difference D is also 6. You can see the difference between the term is 6. Now here n is equal to 40 because you have to find out sum of the 40 numbers. Now S40 is equal to 40 by 2 bracket 2a, that is 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1 into 6. Now 40 by 2 is 20 and 2 into 6 is 12. 40 minus 1 39 multiplied by 6. Now 39 into 6 will 234 and 234 plus 12 is equal to 246. So 20 into 246 will become 4920. So the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6 is 4920. This is your sum. Now we will see the next question.